for today, we were going to do the body yesterday, but feeling it still felt a little bit tacky. So I wanted to give it one more day. So that changes my whole timeline and verify. Oh, I forgot to mark off yesterday. Alright, so do nothing with the neck today. And then for the body, doing the first coat of the third base coat. And before we do that, we have to sand with steel wool, knock everything down. Just had a visit from the doctor. And okay, so cherry, third base coat, 2 to 3 coats. Okay, then we are ready to start sanding. Okay, now it feels pretty good right now, so I'm just going to knock some things down. Looks like I didn't wipe as much as I could have right there. There's a little bit of there you go, you can see that little area. But other than that, one little bit, everything else is looking good. So, yeah, you can still see a little bit there, but I think it looks pretty good. You can see how everything looks, and this is just the first and second coat. It has quite a bit of gloss on it. A little surprised by that. And I believe I have, oh, I've got an extra gloss, no aging. Okay. So let me go blow this off and we'll come back. Alright, just got done blowing everything off. So as always, wipe it down with a lint-free cloth. Make sure you get all of the dust off. Okay, let's go do the back first. And I need to make up some new cloths here. So just like before, got our color dish. Now, the next one we're doing is third base coat of the cherry. That looks really dark. Almost looks like black. But opening it, see a little bit of color there. A little bit of red. Very curious how this will look. And I'm going to follow procedure just like all of the other ones. And just do very light coat. Wow. Yeah, that is a dark. that in there. Okay, see how this goes now. Oh, that doesn't darken it that much. Feels like that soaked in pretty well. A little bit more than the third coat of the second one. See if that looks any different on camera. The front to the back. Okay, wonder if I can lean this down now. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay. Okay. Now we are done with this coat. So now we will let it dry 2 days. Tomorrow we'll do the neck again. Then we'll do the guitar. Then we'll start to see everything finish up. See you guys in a few seconds. Alright, today we are finishing the back and the neck again. Putting another layer on there. Uh-oh, looks like I got a little, let's see, can you see that at all? There we go. A little bit of runoff from doing the fretboard the other day. So I'll try to sand that down, a little bit of roughness here. We'll try to get that all taken care of. Alright, so you can still kind of see it right there. And I found pushing down on it a little bit harder is removing it a lot more than going back and forth trying to level it out. Yeah, that's definitely getting it off right there. And definitely using the light to reflect off of it is helping a lot. Okay, yeah, I'm feeling a lot better now. Let's get a little concerned there for a little bit. Glad I didn't let this cure for a couple of days before I found this out. Alright, good. Now we'll go blow this all off. Come back. I had a bit of concern when I was sanding that I may have been pushing any of the files or sanding stuff into the fretboard, but it looks like it's doing good because this side is still curing because we did that yesterday. And looking at that, oh no, I did that 2 days ago. Okay, so still good. Wipe everything off and get ready to go again. Now we need the next top coat. My brush again. Oh, I don't need the brush today. One of those. And I don't have my little bowl, so let me go get that. And like that, a bowl has appeared. Okay, so verify neck top coat because you don't want to get that mixed up with the top coat for the guitar. Shake it up. Just toss a little bit in there. That should be more than enough. Alright, verify. Yeah, I don't feel any more bumps from that. Oh, nope, that came off. Okay. Good. We are ready. And remember, we're just doing the backs and the sides today. Okay. Now we're done. We will let that cure for a couple of days.